In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam Wallet not working. If your wallet balance isn't applying at checkout, you are seeing payment errors, or your purchase hangs forever. These tried and true fixes will help you get back to buying games smoothly. First, give your Steam session a clean refresh. Completely close Steam, not just the window. Open Task Manager, find every Steam process like the Steam client and any background Steam services and end them. Then relaunch Steam and sign back in. This clears out stuck background tasks and expired sessions that can quietly block purchases. If the client is still acting up, switch to a web browser. Head to the Steam website, log into your account, and try the purchase there. This bypasses client-side glitches, overlay quirks, or cache data that sometimes cause checkout issues inside the desktop app. Next, check for pending transactions that might be holding things up. In Steam, go to your account details and open your purchase history. Look for any orders marked as pending. If you see one, cancel it to release the hold and then try your purchase again. A stuck or failed authorization can lock your wallet and prevent new charges from going through until it's cleared. Now, verify that your region and wallet currency match. Steam ties wallet funds and gift cards to a specific store region. For example, a USD gift card won't work on an account set to the EUR store. Confirm your store region on the website or in the client, and make sure it aligns with the currency of your wallet and any code you are trying to redeem. If they don't match, that mismatch alone can cause checkout errors. Also, disable any VPNs or proxies. Steam actively blocks purchases made through VPNs, anonymizers, or certain proxy connections to prevent fraud. Turn off your VPN, remove any proxy settings in your browser or system, and try again on your normal connection. It's a simple change that fixes a surprising number of payment errors. Finally, be aware of temporary cooldowns. If you just added funds, changed your payment method, or had several rapid-fire attempts, Steam may place a short restriction, typically 1 to 3 days, before allowing new purchases. It's best to wait it out rather than retry repeatedly, which can extend or renew the hold. Give these steps a try in order, and you should see your Steam wallet working normally again. If one fix doesn't do it, move on to the next and let each change take effect before testing. Thanks for watching.